Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel Mathematics. Here I am with another lesson of geometry. In this lesson we will discuss about the different basic shapes. This one is going to be some interesting topic. We can have a look at the different basic shapes of geometry. Here you can see that point, it has no dimension. It is a dimensionless shape and it is simply a dot, and there is no length at all for that dot. And we have one dimensional shape. It can be assumed to be a line segment, and that line segment or line will be having only one dimension, that is length. You can say the line segment or line as an example for one dimensional shape. Now if you see, a blackboard or a whiteboard is a two-dimensional shape. It is nothing but a plane. A plane, as you can define, it extends indefinitely into all the directions. You can see this arrow mark shows this will extends indefinitely to the all four directions. It will be having only two dimensions. One is length and another is width. So a plane figures will be having two-dimensional figures. You can see the examples for the two-dimensional figures as angles, triangles, or any other polygons. We have other type of shapes which we see in our day-to-day life. For example, we can see a cube, or we can see different types of a sphere, a ball-like structure, and the marker, for example, if you take, it is in the form of cylinder, and of course the thing which you like more, that is the ice cream cone. The cone ice cream also is in the form of a cone, that is also a three-dimensional shape. This three-dimensional shape will be having three dimensions such as the length, width, and height or thickness, and all these are the solid shapes. So here we will be discussing about the two-dimensional shapes of or polygons now. Here we see the meaning of a polygon. Polygon is a two-dimensional figure with only straight edges or the line segments. It is a simple closed two-dimensional figure with the line segments. It can be a three-sided figure or four-sided figure or five-sided figure. Based on that, we can have different names, and before that we will see the basic terminology related to the polygon. We must understand what is a side and what is a vertex and what is a diagonal. Here we have a pentagon with 5 points. Here we can find the sides AB, BC, CD and DE and EA are the different sides of this polygon. Vertex is the point A, point B, point C, D and E. These are the vertices of the polygon. And diagonal is the segment which joins the point to its opposite vertex. For example, here AC, AD are the diagonals. Similarly, BE, BD also are the diagonals. We can have different number of diagonals for different types of polygons. Based on the number of sides, we can give the different names for a polygon. Here we have a table with the different names of polygons. A three-sided polygon is a triangle. A four-sided polygon is named as quadrilateral, and five-sided polygon is pentagon. Six-sided polygon is hexagon. Eight-sided polygon is octagon. We can have different types of quadrilaterals too. Based on the properties the polygon or the quadrilateral have, we classified the quadrilaterals into different categories. For example, if one pair of parallel sides are there, then that particular quadrilateral is known as trapezium. Trapezium or trapezoid will be with one pair of parallel lines, and if two pairs of parallel sides are there, then it is called as parallelogram. Parallelogram is a polygon, is a quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel lines. Parallelogram with four right angles is nothing but a rectangle. So you can define a rectangle. It is a parallelogram with four right angles. And now parallelogram with four sides of equal length will be called a rhombus. A rhombus will be having two pairs of parallel sides and all the sides are equal. Here, if in a rhombus all angles are right angles, that is 90 degrees, then that particular figure is known as a square. We continue our lessons from basics till the advanced geometry and algebra in the future classes too. If you like the video, you please subscribe and you can share to your friends. Thank you for watching.